So today now we'll continue with the new topic called kinetic theory of gas. We have discussed basically all the gas laws. Now the next point that we are going to see is the theoretical explanation to give the like what is the nature of gas. To explain the model of gas, the first explanation was given by kinetic molecular theory of gas by Clausius. So this is called kinetic molecular theory of gas. It's basically the assumptions of few postulates that tells us how a gas would be, what would be the properties of gas, and those properties could be explained experimentally. We have experimental laws that explain the property of gas. A theoretical background was needed, and that was first introduced by kinetic theory of gases. And the basic assumptions or postulates of kinetic theory of gases are given below. The first point that it tells is that every gas is made of molecule. Every gas is made of molecule, and these molecules are small particles. So they are made of small particles called molecules, and each gas is made of same molecule. तो अगर O2 गैस है तो O2 मॉलिक्यूल से वो बने हैं which have identical size, shape and mass, but this will differ from gas to gas. So all gases are made of molecules, but the molecule of different gases are not same. They are different in the respect of shape, mass and size. These gases are made of molecules, and these molecules are in random motion. That is, they are constantly moving, and when they move, they colloid with each other. When they keep on moving, they colloid with each other, and the collisions are perfectly elastic. So when molecules are randomly moving, gas molecules, they colloid with each other and the collisions are perfectly elastic collision. That is, the energy distribution will take place, but the total energy before and after collision will remain the same. Then the particles are colliding with each other, and when they colloid with the wall of the container, they exert pressure. So they exert pressure. And when do they exert pressure? When they colloid on the walls of the container. So when the molecule collide with each other, the collision are elastic, and when they hit the container, they exert pressure. So you have gases made of molecules. Molecules are in random motion. They collide with each other. The collisions are perfectly elastic, and when they collide with the wall, they exert pressure. Now when the particles are randomly moving, it means that there is no force of attraction or repulsion between gas molecule. There is no force of attraction or repulsion between the gas molecules. Also, the volume of a single gas molecule is negligible to the total volume of the gas as compared to the total volume of the gas. एक मॉलिक्यूल का वॉल्यूम नेग्लेक्ट कर सकते हैं टोटल वॉल्यूम के रिस्पेक्ट में. Now since the particles are in random motion, the molecules, they have different velocities. As they are randomly moving, they have different velocities, therefore they have different kinetic energy, and kinetic energy is directly proportional to the square root of the temperature. So as the temperature increases, kinetic energy will also increase. So these are the basic postulates of kinetic theory of gases. So KTG gives this basic assumption and a kinetic gas equation, PV, which is equal to 1 by 3 mn c square is also equal to, this is the kinetic theory, which is mn c square. The pressure is P, V is the volume, m is the mass of each particle, and total number of molecules. So we can tell that this is also equal to capital letter M c square, molar mass, and half m c square is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy क्या होता है? हाफ m v स्क्वायर. तो इन दोनों में एक रिलेशन निकल सकता है, एम सी स्क्वायर एम वी स्क्वायर. इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो और डिवाइड कर दो, तो 1/2 क्या आ जाएगा? ये पूरा टर्म काइनेटिक एनर्जी. तो पी वी इज 2/3 ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी. सो प्रेशर इनटू वॉल्यूम इज 2/3 ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी. और वी कैन राइट लाइक पी वी इज इक्वल टू एन आर टी. तो आर टी इज इक्वल टू 2/3 ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी, और kinetic energy is 3/2 RT, right? So this is for 1 mole. You will divide it by Avogadro number for Avogadro molecules. तो एक मॉलिक्यूल के लिए क्या होगा? ये फैक्टर को स्मॉल लेटर k कह देते हैं, and you get 3/2 KT as K the Boltzmann constant. So the kinetic gas equation is the kinetic energy is 3/2 kT, where k is Boltzmann constant and k is actually R upon Avogadro number. So this is the kinetic gas equation. So this was the basic assumptions given by KTG to explain the properties of a gas. The theoretical approach was given, and this is a first model of gases. Now we shall discuss the behavior of real gases. Now we will talk about the behavior of real gases. So we know that a gas which obeys ideal gas equation under all conditions is called as an ideal gas. But in real practice, no gas is ideal, and a gas which does not obey ideal gas equation under all conditions is called as a real gas. And it is found that in practice all the gases that exist in nature are all real gas. That is, none of the gas is following this equation under all conditions. And a real gas may behave ideally when, this is very important, when the pressure is low and the temperature is high. Only in this condition a real gas behave ideally. Low pressure, high temperature. And this we came to know when different graphs were plotted, and we came that at low pressure, high temperature, it behaves as an ideal gas. When a graph was plotted between pressure volume against pressure, if it is a real gas, then PV is nRT. With N it should be a straight line. This is the thing only when if it is a ideal gas. But all other gases shows deviation. They had this deviations. So this clearly indicated that at the low condition थोड़ा बहुत ideality की तरफ है. Otherwise ये ideal behavior show नहीं करता. So only at low condition a gas behave ideally, and at high temperature. Now how do we know that? When we plot PVP graph at different temperature. Say I keep the temperature T1. This is a graph that I get for ideal gas behavior, and this is for the real gas. ये T1 पे है, T1 Kelvin पे है. This is for ideal gas and this is for the same real gas. Now the same graph we plot, but the temperature is now T2 Kelvin. Again, PV is constant, no change in pressure, volume as pressure is increased, PV remains constant. So this is again for ideal gas. But for real gas, you can see that at the same temperature, the graph is nearly approaching to this, and if you still further increase the temperature, say T3 Kelvin, the ideal gas have the same type of environment, and the real gas has a finer line. So a real gas may behave ideally if the temperature is increased and the pressure is decreased. तो लो प्रेशर पे वो ज़्यादा आइडियल बिहेवियर शो करते हैं और हाई टेम्परेचर पे. So real gases shows deviation and they deviate from ideal gas behavior. And how did we come to know when they behave ideally? They behave ideally when the pressure is low and the temperature is high. Now, one more parameter that helps us in telling us is the compressibility factor. Compressibility factor helps us in predicting whether how much deviation will it show. What is the nature of the gas? It is highly compressible as an ideal approach or less compressible. So this compressibility factor Z is nothing but it is equal to PV upon nRT. PV को nRT से divide कर तो Z आएगा. For an ideal gas, PV is always nRT, so Z is always equal to 1. And for real gas, Z is either greater than 1 or Z is less than 1. So when Z is greater than 1, it shows positive deviation. And the gases are less compressible. That means there is some force of repulsion, that is why they are not able to compress. And when Z is less than 1, it means it shows negative deviation, and these gases are more compressible, indicating that there is more force of attraction between the gas molecule. तो जो लॉ हमने कहा था काइनेटिक थ्योरी में कि कोई भी फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन रिपल्शन नहीं होता, दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. वी कम टू नो दैट देयर इज सम फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन रिपल्शन बिकॉज in actual practice we don't have Z is equal to 1, we have either Z greater than 1 or less than 1. So this compressibility factor helps us in telling us whether the gas is more compressible or less compressible. That means there is attractive force or repulsive force between the gas molecule, which we expected that there is no force, but कुछ force जरूर है particles के बीच. ये compressibility factor से हमें पता चला. And also when a graph was plotted for compressibility factor against pressure, we got this as the nature. If you take pressure and this is compressibility factor. Now for an ideal gas, this compressibility factor is 1 for an ideal gas. And when we plotted this compressibility factor for P for different gases, we got such variations. This was helium, hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon monoxide, etc. So deviation started to occur. So none of the gas has Z is equal to 1. So we come to know all the gases are real. No gas is ideal. Now for a particular gas, एक particular gas को हम स्टडी कर रहे हैं अलग अलग टेम्परेचर पे और उसका P और Z ग्राफ प्लॉट कर रहे हैं. Now this is for N2 gas at different temperature. What do we get is when we expected the ideal nature, Z is 1 ideal behavior. And when the temperature was high, एक straight line है. This was the nature at 373 Kelvin. This was the nature of the graph. And other gases, other temperature, we had this variation. This was at 323 Kelvin, this was at 273 Kelvin, and this is at 223 Kelvin. So we found that when the temperature was high, the gas is same and it's kept at different temperature. तो गैस ज़्यादा कब एक आइडियल बिहेवियर शो कर रही है, जब टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा था और प्रेशर कम था. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी कम टू नो. And the temperature at which a real gas behaves ideally over an appreciable range of pressure is called boil point or boil temperature. So the boil point is the temperature at which a real gas behaves ideally over a range of pressure. तो देखो आप 373 पे वो आइडियली बिहेव कर रहा है इस रेंज ऑफ प्रेशर पे. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड बॉयल टेम्परेचर और बॉयल पॉइंट. एंड दिस कंप्रेसिबिलिटी फैक्टर Z in terms of volume it is V real, it's a basic ratio, volume of the real gas upon volume of the ideal gas, and if both the volume are equal it's a 1. Compressibility factor is 1. So gases deviate. तो real gases ideal gas से बिल्कुल अलग है. और what condition they behave ideally? When the pressure is low and the temperature is high. Now what is the actual cause of deviation? ये जो real gases है वो deviate क्यों करती है? What is the causes of deviation? The cause of deviation is because of two faulty assumptions. दो गलत assumptions KTG ने दिए थे. उन दोनों faulty assumptions की मदद से we can tell that the real gas have different behavior. So the faulty assumption first is there is no force of attraction और रिपल्शन. जो कंप्रेसिबिलिटी फैक्टर से क्लियर था कि कुछ फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन और रिपल्शन गैसेस में होते हैं. द सेकेंड इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ सिंगल पार्टिकल इज नेग्लेक्टेड और इज नेग्लिजिबल एज कंपेयर टू द टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस, एज कंपेयर टू द टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस. बट दोनों गलत है. कुछ ना कुछ फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन जरूर है. और गैस अगर कंप्रेस हो रही है तो डेफिनेटली एक पार्टिकल का वॉल्यूम कंपैरिजन में आप निगलेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. अगर ओरिजिनली गैस छोटा सा वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपाई कर रही है, टोटल स्पेस ही इतना सा उनको वॉल्यूम है, तो हर एक पार्टिकल का एक पर्टिकुलर वॉल्यूम है, तो वो उसके अलावा उसी को फ्री मूवमेंट मिल रहा है टू मूव इन द कंटेनर. सो दीज टू faulty assumptions were made and that is why the real gases shows deviation. And then came up van der Waal to correct the ideal gas equation. तो van der Waal एक साइंटिस्ट थे जिन्होंने आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन को मॉडिफाई करने के लिए हेल्प किया. एंड ही विल स्टडी नाउ van der Waal's equation of state. Basically this is the equation to know the property of a real gas. एक real gas की actual property क्या है, और you can tell ये modified ideal gas equation है. It is also called van der Waals equation and the equation is P plus n square A upon V square into V minus NB is equal to nRT. हम PV is equal to nRT कहते हैं आइडियल गैस. मॉडिफाई किया, कहाँ किया? प्रेशर और वॉल्यूम टर्म में किया. प्रेशर इज P plus n square A upon V square and V minus NB is the volume. So this is a correction that has been made and this is called van der Waals equation of state. And for 1 mole the equation is P plus A upon V square into V minus B, that is equal to RT. So this is van der Waal equation and this A and B terms are called as van der Waals constant. So what did van der Waal do? He corrected the two term pressure and volume. So he modified the two pressure and volume and he made this equation. So basically he corrected the pressure of the real gas and pressure and the volume of the real gas. Now we shall see the correction done. So the correction term we shall discuss. How was the correction made? So first, the correction of volume. If you have this as the volume of the container, this is the volume, entire volume of the gas V, ठीक है, पूरा वॉल्यूम V है. अब अगर एक पार्टिकल का वॉल्यूम इतना सा है, दिस इज द पार्टिकल्स, वन पार्टिकल्स वॉल्यूम. तो हाउ मच वॉल्यूम डज दिस हैज? लेट दिस बी स्मॉल लेटर v. तो बाकी का ही तो स्पेस इसको मिल रहा है, वॉल्यूम मिल रहा है ऑक्यूपाई करने के लिए, और वो कितना है? दैट इज v माइनस v. दिस इज फॉर वन मॉलिक्यूल. ऐसे बहुत सारे मॉलिक्यूल्स होंगे या नहीं होंगे? So you have so many molecules like this. तो टोटल जो वॉल्यूम अवेलेबल है वो पूरे कंटेनर का नहीं है मूवमेंट के लिए. टोटल मॉलिक्यूल का वॉल्यूम माइनस कर दो गैस के वॉल्यूम में से. जो कंटेनर का वॉल्यूम है उसमें से टोटल गैसेस का वॉल्यूम माइनस कर दो, बाकी की अवेलेबल स्पेस है हर गैस को मूव करने के लिए, विच इज v माइनस nb. दिस इज फॉर n मोल एंड b इज बेसिकली कांस्टेंट that depends on the size of the gas molecule. B is a constant that depends on the size of the molecule. तो ये आपको करना होगा correction term, and the unit of B. B is small letter v is equal to NB, or B is V by N. This is liter and this is mole. तो B has a unit liter per mole, और जिसका जितना बड़ा साइज होगा उसकी B वैल्यू उतनी ही ज्यादा हो जाएंगी. सो दिस इज करेक्शन टर्म इन द वॉल्यूम, एंड द करेक्शन ऑफ वॉल्यूम मेड इज, हर एक पार्टिकल का वॉल्यूम है जिसको आप निग्लेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. सो द करेक्ट वॉल्यूम इज v minus nb. and the next correction that was done is correction of pressure. Normally we tell the pressure is developed because a gas is going to hit the wall of the container. When a molecule is inside, it will experience inward pull, equal and opposite pull in all the direction. ठीक है, तो नेट फोर्स इस पे जो वर्क कर रहा है वो जीरो है क्योंकि वो कैंसिल आउट हो रहा है अंदर की तरफ. लेकिन अगर एक मॉलिक्यूल स्ट्राइक करने जा रहा है तो उसको अंदर की तरफ खिंचाव फील होता है. इट एक्सपीरियंसेस अ इनवर्ड फोर्स. एज अ रिजल्ट वो प्रेशर जितना डेवलप कर रहा था वो उतना नहीं कर पाएगा. So the pressure is less, and ideal gas में हम ज़्यादा expect कर रहे थे, but the pressure exerted is less. So the observed pressure, जो pressure actually हमें मिल रहा है, observed pressure is less than expected one. जो observed है वो expected से कम है, यानी कि ideal pressure से कम है. तो क्या होगा correction? The correction in pressure is P plus small letter p, and we all know that the pressure is proportional to the square of the density, and density is inversely related to volume for 1 mole. So for n moles it will be density n by v, n moles के लिए, और pressure is equal to a constant A into n square by v square. So this is the pressure, and A is telling us about, it's another van der Waals constant which tells us about the force of attraction or repulsion. What is the force of attraction or repulsion? Is governed by this factor A, and it depends from gas to gas. And the unit of A, since A is expressed as, how will you write A? P into V square by N square. Pressure की unit होती है ATM. N number of moles, V है, you have volume which is liter square, N number of moles, mole square. So this is the unit of A. So this correction was made in pressure which is P plus A N square by V square. तो ये करेक्ट प्रेशर है, इट्स नॉट ओनली P बट P प्लस n square A upon V square, and volume is V minus NV. And these two terms, when you use it in ideal gas equation, you will get the modified ideal gas equation or equation for real gas. And this is Van der Waals equation of state, or Van der Waals equation or equation for real gas. So this is about the states of matter. तो वैन डर वाल ने करेक्शन किए थे और वो करेक्शन से हम डिफाइन करते हैं कि जो भी गैसेस है वो सारी रियल होती है, आइडियली वो कुछ टाइम पे बिहेव करती है. सो एन आइडियल गैस इज जस्ट अ हाइपोथेटिकल इमेजिनरी कंडीशन and real gas do behave ideally when the pressure is low and the temperature is high. So this is about states of matter. In very simple words, only gases we have to study and in a very short term.